welcome to my channel. In this video we're going to create a new project where we'll create a maze where it will create a maze randomly. So first of all we'd like to import random, then we'd like to make width, create a new variable called width equals 15, then height equals 10, and for y in range, how many times, height in height, line equals string. Then we write for x in range width line plus equals string. We open it up and write if random dot random is greater than 0.5, else we just write, for example, let's write like random number, for example 0. It will make the maze out of zeros. So and then we just write print line. So okay guys, now let's save it up, let's run it. So as you see, it made it out of 0. So what will happen if we write 6, 7? So it will create a maze out of 6, 7. So we can write anything, for example R, it will make it out of R's. So okay guys, this was all for this video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.